Thank you for choosing Workplace Training Network. My name is Erica. I'm the Operations and Client Support Manager. Today, I'll be walking you through how to access your admin portal, how to batch upload students, how to add individual students, and how to run reports. Thank you so much as we go through today's tutorial. Welcome to your Admin Manager Access Portal. Here, you will log in with your provided Admin Manager login credentials. Once you have entered those credentials, you'll click Login. Please note that you are on the admin page. You'll see that also in your URL. I point this out as later we will see the student login, and the portals are very similar. So I do like to point out, make sure you're in the correct login for your admin manager access. Once you log in, you will see 3 modules. That is online courses, reports, and student management. You'll also notice that you've been greeted by name, and you will see your unique company logo in the upper left-hand corner. Online courses is what will contain your library of courses that you have purchased. Please note that each client will have a different online library, and these have been loaded as samples for this tutorial. This is also where you will batch upload your students. We will go over that in just a moment. Your additional modules are Reports, which contains all your reporting features, and finally Student Management. This is where all of your students will be housed, and is also where you can add an individual student. Now let's go ahead and return to our home page and go to Online Courses. Go ahead and select the course that you wish to work with today. Then go ahead and select the spreadsheet template for batch upload that you also received with your tutorial email. Your batch upload spreadsheet will be unique to your company. For the sake of this tutorial, we are working with employees from Stark Industries. The critical pieces of information that you will need to enter are first name, middle name if you have it, last name, phone number. Please use the main number of the company, or you can enter zeros in the phone number format. The most critical piece of information that you'll need is their email address, as this is where they will receive their welcome email that will give them instructions on how to access the student portal and little tidbits they'll need to successfully complete their training. Let's go ahead and do a batch upload now. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be working with Workplace Harassment the Real Deal. Again, please note you may have purchased a different course. You'll go ahead and select Batch Uploads. You'll go ahead and choose the file that corresponds to your spreadsheet. Once you have selected your corresponding file, click Upload. Please note, once you click Upload, your welcome emails will go out immediately. If you are reviewing this tutorial before your access period starts, your welcome emails will still go out, but your students will not be able to access. It is recommended that you batch upload the day before or the morning of your Access portal opening so that your students are able to immediately follow the links that will be in their welcome email. Let's go ahead and click Upload. Once you have uploaded all of your students, you will receive a notice, Students Successfully Uploaded. This will indicate that all welcome emails have gone out. Depending on the speed of your internet, this can take anywhere between 1 and 5 minutes. Go ahead and click OK, and now all of your students have been registered. And let's go ahead and look at one of those welcome emails. This is the welcome email that your students will receive. It will greet them by name. It will tell them on whose behalf they are taking the training. It will go ahead and tell them which training they are taking. It will provide their username, their auto-generated temporary password, and their student registration link. Also included are helpful hints on how to complete the course successfully. For example, Internet Explorer does not work with this LMS. Make sure there are no spaces. A reminder they'll be prompted to change their temporary password, and additional tips so that they may enjoy their training successfully. Now let us go ahead and look at that student experience. Go ahead and click on the student registration link and go ahead and log in with the provided student credentials. Please note, this is the student login. As previously mentioned, the portals are very similar. However, instead of admin, it says lms.rengelearning, and instead of admin, it says student login. Go ahead and log in. Please also note there is a forget password link. However, if they want to email me to update their password, they can do that as well. Once they log